Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to use Deepl to shorten a text. So let's start by getting for us a long text. As you can see, this is a normal text that I've gotten, and now let's try to use it in order to make our stuff or this text shorter. So what I'm going to do is going to copy it, and here what I'm going to do is to click right here like this. So we have pasted it. And what I'm going to do is now set the style to simple. As you can see, when you set the style to simple, it will not really do much, but it's gonna help you to reduce the amount of words in here. So if I click in here, as you can see, there is many phrases that has been replaced, many words that has been like highest level has been switched to best, not only physical, it has been switched endurance but fast, throughout with such like. So the words that are too long to be written, they have replaced them with other ones that are shorter than the usual ones that you find here, and the shorter ones are gonna be basically making the text a little bit shorter. The feature of making it shorter itself, it's not really something that you find here, otherwise you can use ChatGPT for it, but there is a kind of style that you can choose it, which is going to be helping you to make the words shorter. So automatically the text will be shorter. So when you make words simple, the text should be shorter in general. Here of course you can add other terms like a word that you don't want them to be edited, and here you can choose simply the correction only, so the text won't be affected at all, and you do have here your text. So in general, of course, you can do something like that and click shorten, and this will be shortened as you can see here. So you can view all the versions and choose the version that you want. For example, here I have this version here. We can choose replace, and yeah, the text has been shortened. You can shorten it again, and keep shortening it all more and more. But in general, yeah, this is all you can do. This shorten doesn't really affect that much. It keeps the same word. But yeah, in general, that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.